Okay.
Okay.
What's up, guys? We're live. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're live. So Brett and I are talking. Oh, do we want to post on Discord?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll check our stream, make sure everything's working good.
Okay. Can you text me the link?
Yeah, once I get it.
Okay.
Are you sure we're live?
It says the button says stop streaming, so I think so.
Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay. Cat, there you go.
Thank you so much. Okay. We're live. So yeah, I'm Trevor. This is Brett. We're working on our app, Eat the Elephant, where it helps people focus on their phones instead of using distracting apps. You focus on a different task to get something done. You'll eat the elephant of whatever goal you're working on. So we were just discussing. It looks like there's a app that just came out by Hank Green, um, and it uses some of this um, screen time API that we're working on to help you focus. But the big difference is that this only helps you focus. It doesn't actually help you get stuff done. So we should still be good, but it might still be good to have to go through this to see how they do their screen time API.
I mean, did he share the whole app online?
Um I mean like he
Yeah, I'm amazed. He's just like he's number two. He's right behind ChatGPT in like one day.
yeah, isn't that crazy?
100 reviews. That's wild.
Okay. So I'm popping my phone
You'd
up.
have to be getting millions of downloads. So pretty cool.
Yeah, this is the app. I've got it downloaded. I'm showing it on my laptop now. So it's
I think if
pretty
anything, it validates that this is, a problem.
yeah. But the idea is you hit focus and you can put in a time, say like 2 hours, 5 minutes, and then deep focus mode is right here. So if you have deep focus mode on, when you hit start, if you go home, oh, I guess it kills it won't let me connect. But it does create a live activity, so it's got that super simple. I don't even know if they've
Yeah,
optimized for it.
love that though. Love that.
Yeah, this is what the live activity looks like on the home screen. And then on this screen, all it looks like is this. Um, right now,
Oh yeah, that's cool.
only it says 14, and I think it's because it's pretty small. But then really, it's just like a timer that's counting down.
Yeah, that's cool.
And then all my apps,
Are
I
blocked?
guess, I guess not all of them, like most of them are, but it's just the default screen. They didn't even change anything about it. There's only one button at the bottom, it says OK, and when I press it, it just goes home. So they
Yeah,
don't have
which is fine because
anything.
they're number two on the App Store. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then the idea is that this is going. It just says don't interrupt me with a timer and a stop focusing button.
Oh, it says July. Yeah. Okay, cool. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, no worries. So that's kind of fun. Anyways, back to our app though. We did just get approved for the screen time APIs for those different bundle identifiers. So I think we should be good to upload a test flight. So I was going to hurry and just like get that started right now
Yeah, that'd
to
be
see.
great. And then I can get it updated on YouTube for everybody.
Oh yeah. So yeah, let's go through here. And yeah, we can make sure the public link works. So I'll just start a build, even though we haven't changed anything. So it's running the same code, but hopefully because we have approval, it helps. But I might need to go and upload it. Oh yeah, because it still says development. Just change the distribution. Yeah, I'm gonna have to update it. Okay, should restart it. Okay, and then while that's going, Brett was saying that he's working on onboarding.
Yes.
And then tell you what, I might try to figure out how we can get. The goal is from the screen shield configuration thing, we want to open our app to a task.
Yeah.
Okay, that's my goal today, is figuring that out. We know it's possible, so we just got to figure it out.
Okay. That's an excellent goal. What do you have any ideas, Trevor, on what you're gonna try?
I'm gonna see if ChatGPT. Um, I'm gonna try spin up a GPT. Tell
Have
it to
we
like.
tried with five? Have we tried with five yet?
I haven't. I don't know if you have. So that's why it's open. One thing I found is that if I tell it to think deeply and do research, then it uses like the bigger model. Like it takes a lot more time.
Okay. Do you think they're using a URL or is there something else?
Um, I don't know.
Is there any other way to get an app to open?
I'm thinking there's app intents. You remember those that we did? I do know that there's like an action to open the app within an app intent. So maybe it's something to do
Hmm.
with that. Um, yeah, there is clicking a link, like opening a link somehow would be the simplest. The other way is like the user clicks on the icon. That's normal. A notificate like if a user taps a notification, then that happens.
Yeah, tapping notifications what a lot of
Yeah.
the other ones are doing.
Yeah, I'm gonna say if you don't figure this out, then I will unplug you.
Does that work?
I don't know. We'll see. Um, yeah, let's see what happens. Dude, I had ChatGPT make a 3D model for me the other day. Super simple one.
Oh, how'd that go?
Just a cylinder. It went well. Like I just told it, create a cylinder, make it 75.75 inches diameter and 2 inches height, and it just busted out for me. And I printed it.
Wow.
Yeah, because we were putting baby gates up for Lucas because
Hmm.
he's starting to climb upstairs, and it just wasn't long enough. So I printed out a couple cylinders to like.
We're at the same stage, dude. McCall's doing the same thing.
Oh, really? That's so fun.
Yeah, I guess remember we were almost both on paternity at the same time.
Yeah, and you were like, oh, if that were the case, we could just work on some app
We could have
together.
done this, man. We would have just
Yeah,
done this for 3 weeks.
that's so fun. Do you I I know we're still thinking of having like at least one more kid, but probably not till like next year. But
We
paternity
started
offers.
selling stuff. We sold the Mamaroo today.
Oh, really? Dang, that's exciting.
What's paternity like at where you're at?
I've heard it's pretty good. I think it's 3 months.
Oh
It's
wow.
pretty nice, which is nice. Like compared to where when I was at Sling, I didn't get paternity. I had to use my own PTO. And the word
Yeah,
was
that's
pretty
crazy.
nice, where you get 3 weeks. But this would be
Yeah.
nice. Yeah, it's saying that to use a local notification.
It's saying to use a notification.
Yeah.
That's because so the guy who made the 1 second app, which also pretty good, he did a write-up about what's not possible, and he wrote that it's not possible in the article. and it's kind of the top search result.
Yeah.
And
What?
so I think from other things I've seen, people just reference that and they're like, it's not possible.
Yeah.
But then we're like, well, here's three apps that do it.
What? What was the name of the apps again? Or like, yeah, what do you remember?
The one that did it was Ascent app.
Set screen time control.
I just shared it with you.
Okay. I'll keep trying.
And I did email them and message them on Instagram.
And nothing.
I didn't. Well, I'm checking again, but I didn't. I don't think I heard back from them, which understandable. Yeah, the problem is, so I've got a chat agent running right now too, and it's just reading Stack Overflow and Medium, which like, and the developer stuff. So interesting.
Oh, dude, I just got a cent again, and they're giving
Yeah,
lifetime premium for free,
really?
like $0.
What?
Yeah, straight up, dude. Like,
That's almost too good.
I know.
Oh yeah, early access. This is the very first release. We're giving everything for free. Wow,
It's kind of sick.
wow.
Okay, I'm gonna record my iPhone screen as I press on this button, and then watch it back and see if there's anything we can figure out.
Yeah, you might just have to jailbreak your phone.
Yeah, they just jailbreak for us. How do they do that? Just instant, and it's not like Safari pops up or anything.
Nope, it just goes straight there, which makes me think it's a URL.
And it's pretty sick too. So I had it open before, and it was having my statistics. It said like I had one open attempt. As it's moving each frame, I see that they're animating from 1 to 2 attempts. So it's like they know.
Huh.
I'll see if I can um, upload the video I have. Be like, look, this is how they're doing it.
Yeah, chat's still looking for me. It's going really deep.
Yeah, chat didn't know.
Trevor, do you think because so Eat the Elephant can know when someone goes to a distracting app, right? Because they're counting how many times you've opened a distracting app. Is there something like in Eat the Elephant that can do it when like it updates, hey, we came to this distracting app, and then like I don't know, we could update like from Eat the Elephant, it runs something. I don't know how it works.
Yeah, I don't know either. I'm wondering like maybe I'm gonna try opening up an app on my phone and leaving it on this page for like maybe the next 10 minutes and then pressing continue. Because, yeah, maybe they are doing something where as soon as they get the notification that the app was opened, maybe they're like waiting and like doing some sort of like infinite loop or something like keeping the app in the foreground, code running, so that as soon as they see it's ready, they can like force it to be open.
Interesting.
But I don't know.
So you think after 10 minutes that would stop though?
Maybe. I don't know. I think there are normally like time limits on stuff like that, but I don't
But
know
but
what the exact
I
time
mean
limit
their
is.
app's not in the foreground because if you swipe up, it's not in the foreground.
Yeah,
But
there's
it's a great thought.
yeah, I think um like your app can be in the foreground like code wise versus like the UI being the foreground.
Hmm. Is there a way to know what URLs open on your device though?
Um,
Like if your phone's plugged in or something, you could know what URLs are called.
it's a good question. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe if you jailbreak your phone, because I think like running code, you're sandboxed to be only you can only see what you wrote.
Hmm.
But yeah, maybe if you jailbroke your phone. Also, like you know that YouTuber that does all the cool stuff. I think
Yeah,
he is able to download app files and then like get the code out of them.
interesting.
So I'm wondering if we do something like that on the Sent app.
Yeah, everything that chat came up with is just referencing that one article that says it's not possible.
Yeah. Okay, I'm downloading a decompiler where hopefully we can upload the app. The next step is I need to like um, figure out how to download the app onto my laptop. Okay, I just hit the button and it did open, but I feel like there's something in the middle of the screen for a split second. So I'm gonna try it again.
After 10 minutes, there was?
Yeah, like when I hit continue. Oh yeah, here I'm gonna try to record it. Maybe it's not just after 10 minutes. It might just be like a loading thing for them.
Yeah, I'm getting it's just their loading screen. I mean, it's immediately moving to their screen.
Yeah, fetch, dude. And I think we need a jailbroken device in order to
Yeah.
get the
I even
IPA.
closed the Ascent app and it worked.
Are there any other apps that work?
I can test. I can just keep downloading some. That's how I've been testing it.
Uh,
So Opal, which won the Apple Design Award,
hmm.
they have when their screen pops up, it says, "You're currently in a focus session. Manage your session by opening the Opal app." And it just tells you to go open it.
And they're massive.
Well, they just won the Apple Design Award, so I would assume they're whatever Apple wants to promote, that's what they are.
Yeah.
There's one that has you do like a math equation. I don't know.
I'm wondering if so I have two apps now, and I set both of them to be social. So when I try to open TikTok, it opens up Opal. Or no, it opens up the Ascent app.
Sir, I just called the cops on. What was that?
Oh, that was TikTok. It's
Oh,
not. I'm
I was
Uh,
like, what?
yeah, I'm trying to have Opal block TikTok now.
Nice.
It's still not blocking it. Oh, I need to start the timer. They do put a lot of text here on the screen.
Opal.
Yeah, so we should be able to. So, okay, what if we don't worry about opening our app? But I mean, we are able to get info for this screen. So it says you blocked it 2 times today. You see that?
Yeah.
And then I close it, I reopen it, and it says 3 times. So it's able to read data for the screen. So I'm
Hmm.
wondering if we just read whatever the task should be, and then we have 2 buttons, either close or whatever, and we just start their task. Yeah, we just start the task, and then we pop down a notification that says your task is started. Um,
Yeah. I'll have to do some more research on it.
yeah, maybe I'll reach out to people on Reddit to see if they'll get me a IPA of this. Yeah, I just reached out to somebody on Reddit. Hopefully they get back to me.
So screen time's in. I'm going through it. It does the notification thing, and it has a to-do list as well. So that's kind of cool.
Oh, really?
But theirs is just it's just a generic list of stuff. It's not it doesn't have like milestones and
Yeah.
things like that. But yeah, they send a notification for you to open it. So I do wonder if it's something like as if the Ascent app is like a React Native app or something, and so they're somehow able to insert something somewhere.
Hmm. Is it on Android as well?
Yeah, yeah.
Fetched. How do they do it?
But I mean, they do it.
Oh, and our test flight got denied again.
Oh wait,
Well,
why?
I don't know. Let's see.
We're gonna have to pivot and simplify, dude.
Yeah, I have no clue what this means.
What are you up to now?
Um, just trying to see, just trying to see chat can give us more info. Okay, I'm gonna try some stuff. I don't know if it's gonna work though, but
Well, if you figure it out, it'd be huge because I feel like a lot of apps would use it.
yeah.
The
And
article alone would get a lot of views.
yeah, hopefully this live stream will get a lot of views, right?
Dude, the live streams just to keep us on track.
Yeah, that's fun. Not quite done, but maybe. I'm gonna try posting on the Apple developer forum.
Yeah. I got bad news for Rive, dude.
Yeah,
I'm not seeing emoji support.
really?
I have, well, I mean, yeah, well,
You have to
like,
upload your own, or
like native, like I need to find a font that like has it, which I don't know what font that would be. It's like I have to download like an Apple emoji font.
hmm.
Dude, I wonder uh what this guy, did you see right above you in the Discord?
I don't know.
He said, anybody have connections into Apple? I have a cool app I would totally launch for Shipathon, but I need to get approval from someone higher up in Apple.
What do you
I'm
mean?
like, I don't know, but I'm like, that sounds cool. What is it?
Yeah, that's funny.
And I don't think someone higher up in Apple can just
Yeah, yeah.
like
I don't know what it means.
approve stuff, but
We should just post
cool.
and be like, "We have somebody we know. Like, what's your idea?"
No, no, we don't know anybody. Yeah, crazy. I'm gonna have to export the emoji as a PNG and then use it from there.
Weird. Dude, what if we do Lottie instead?
Lottie still doesn't have. I'll bet they don't have emoji support either. Let's see.
Yeah, I know.
Let's see.
Where I work, Lottie is like one of the only third-party things we use.
Yeah, I'm excited for some groundswell on Rive. I'll bet there's already people looking into it.
Yeah,
Just start asking around.
at work.
Yeah, just post in a chat thread and be like, hey, just Rive. Just post the word Rive and see if
Rive?
anybody comments.
Question mark? Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Lottie's got it. Oh, oh yeah, yep. It can handle it.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna post in the Apple developer page.
Okay.
Um,
Are they normally helpful?
I know there used to be like a thing where you could like twice a year like ask for code help from Apple, but it looks like they depreciated that and they're like instead use the forms.
Hmm.
So Yeah, yeah, you said that again. So. Okay. I wrote up a nice long explanation.
Saying like what? Hey, this app does it. What's going
Yeah.
on?
And saying what we've tried and telling them how we've set it up.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, hopefully somebody who knows something will reach out.
Yeah, hopefully. Okay. Well, hopefully, yeah, hopefully you get back to us quick. Hmm.
Yeah, it's got to be a pretty not known hack. Otherwise, it would be all over, you know?
Yeah. Let's see, like, yeah, it seems like a lot of these are getting replies.
Are getting replies?
Yeah, by like engineers from Apple. So it's a good sign.
Yeah, I wonder if they'll be like, yeah,
Yeah, we're gonna
it's
pull that from the App Store.
well, do they do that?
I don't know. Apparently, there's something called private APIs where you can like under the hood call something that does exist on the phone. And apparently, Apple has like stuff where it'll read through your code as you're submitting and catch you if you do that. But sometimes I guess it gets through. So it could be that this is like a private API.
Oh, I'd feel really bad then if that happened.
Yeah, I don't know if it's illegal to do that. I know that they like frown on it because it's not like I don't think it's illegal. I think it's available. If they catch you, they'll like deny you because you're not supposed to. But I do know like in that video, it talked about how like Tidal uses that for their widgets for like the record to be turning. It's because it's a private API to like turn the widget, you know. But one of the reasons they say not to use it is because it's not documented and it could change at any point. So if if a new iOS version comes out and any changes happen to that API, that feature would just be broken for all people. So,
Hmm,
so I don't know. I don't know.
interesting. I'm kind of hoping we figure this out and then just like every screen time app like gets infinitely better.
Yeah, true. Because honestly, like that'd be to the end user, this would be the best. Like, well, not the best.
Yeah,
It wouldn't be like crazy better, but it would be a little bit better for the end user.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna head out for now.
Okay.
Hopefully, they get back to us.
You can turn it off. I was just working on Rive, having fun, making doom scrolling animation.
Nice, dude. It looks good. I see it. Like,
So
I like the momentum.
yeah, you can see it.
Nice.
So
Okay.
there we go.
Well, guys, we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Thanks, Trevor.
Thanks, Brett. We'll see you.
Bye.
Bye.